Hey guys, my name is Francisco Hernandez, and today's video is a very quick one. I just wanted to simply let you guys know about all the awesome Black Friday deals that are happening right now on different lights that I recommend on Adorama's website. Black Friday is easily the best time of the year to invest in some lighting. So if you guys don't have any lights at all, or you simply want to add to your lighting, then I highly recommend getting some of the lights that I'm going to be talking about in today's video because they are some seriously great deals. The first three deals that I'm going to talk about go live on the 28th, while the rest go live on the 29th, and all the deals are going to last until the end of December 2nd. So that's going to be this coming Monday at 11:59. The very first deal that I want to talk about in today's video is not only the best deal of this video, it's actually one of the best deals I've ever seen on lighting in general, and it's going to be on this light right here, which is the Explore 600 SE, which is one of Flashpoint's latest 600 watt strobes. This light is normally $600, but for Black Friday, it's $190 off, so it's only $410. That Explore 600 SE just came out earlier this year, so it has all the latest features that Flashpoint offers, including a new display, a wider power range, and the new wireless sync feature. But in addition to all the great features and the great discount on the Explore 600 SE, you're actually getting a free light as well. You're getting this Explore 100 Pro, which is usually $300. This light is a very portable 100 watt source of light that is the size and shape of a can of soda. I'm pretty sure that Adorama forgot to remove the free Explore 100 Pro on the purchase of the 600 SE. So if you guys see the listing of the SE and it shows that free 100 Pro, I definitely recommend buying immediately because I do believe this is going to be an error on their part. For just $410, you're getting an amazing combo with these two lights. So if you guys have no lights at all, this is the perfect deal to invest in. The second deal that I want to talk about in today's video is going to be on this light right here, the Evolve 200 Pro. They just released a new version of the Evolve 200 Pro called the Evolve 200 Pro 2. So I'm pretty sure they just want to get rid of these. So they're offering it at a great discount. It's going to be $229, which is $120 off. If you guys are new to lighting and not familiar with the 200, then all you need to know is that usually lights that go on the camera are going to look like this, and they're called speed lights. And basically they're around 60 watts of power. But the Evolve 200 Pro is going to be triple the amount of power, actually a little bit more than triple the amount of power at 200 watts. And it also has the same kind of shape as the speed lights. So you can actually use this light here with different speed light shaped modifiers like the Magmod system. The third deal that I want to talk about in today's video is going to be on this little guy right here, the R2 Nano transmitter, which is a very small portable touchscreen transmitter that uses an internal lithium ion battery that actually lasts a long time. I was actually worried about the battery life before I got it, but I'm happy to tell you guys that it lasts such a seriously long time. That transmitter is usually $89 at normal pricing, but for Black Friday, it's going to be $59, so it's $30 off. And like I said before, it's very portable. In case you guys want to see a little bit of a comparison on another transmitter that Flashpoint offers, this is a bigger R2 Pro transmitter that they offer. And this is the size of the Nano transmitter, which is the size, which is actually smaller than that little green display right here. It's basically just a small transmitter that you can carry that's touchscreen and very nice. These next 5 deals are going to be available the very first second of the 29th all the way up until December 2nd. So in case you want to take advantage of them ASAP, on the 28th at 11:59 p.m., if you wait 1 minute, then you'll be able to take advantage of these next 5 deals that I'm about to talk about. The very next deal that I wanted to talk about that again is going to start on the 29th is not on this light, the original Explore 600 TTL, but the manual version of this light, the Explore 600 non-TTL, the manual version. The original Explore 600 manual version is usually sold for $549, but for Black Friday, it's $200 off at $349, and it also includes a free transmitter that's going to look like this. Just like I mentioned with the Explore 600 SE, 600 watts of power is a lot, so it can tackle pretty much any bright conditions that you want to throw at it. But the downside to this light is that it doesn't offer a bright modeling lamp like the SE offers. So in case you don't need the modeling lamp, then this is still a great option. A lot of photographers still seek out this light because it offers so much. If I did have to give you guys a little bit of advice, I still would recommend the Explore 600 SE deal over this, simply because you're getting a free $300 light, and it's also at a great discount on that light that just came out. This light right here, the Explore 400 Pro, is next up on this list. This light is usually sold for $649, but for Black Friday, it's $399, so that's $250 off. You're also going to get a free softbox with this light, so in case you don't want to have to worry about buying another softbox, then one that's very portable is going to be offered with the purchase of this light. This little guy right here, the Flashpoint Explore 300 Pro TTL, is next up on my list of deals. This light is usually sold for $499, but for Black Friday, it's $204 off at $295. I'm going to just set this light right here so you can see exactly how it compares in size to the 400 Pro and the Explore 600 SE. The reason why the Explore 300 Pro here here is my favorite light to date, is because I typically don't need more than 300 watts of power at my photo shoots, even shooting in bright sunlight, because I use an ND filter at my photo shoots. But if I didn't use an ND filter, if I wanted to use high-speed sync instead, then I would probably go with the 400 Pro or the Explore 600 SE. I did mention earlier that the Explore 400 Pro comes with a free softbox that's very portable, specifically made for the 400 and the 300. So this 300 Pro does offer a lot of portable modifiers that I highly recommend. If you guys remember to earlier in this video when I mentioned the Explore 100 Pro, well, this light is actually on sale too for Black Friday. So it's usually $300 or $299, but for Black Friday, it's $130 off at $169, which is a steal for what this light offers. You can see right here next to these other lights that it's very, very small. I usually have two Explore 300 Pros in my camera bag, and I also carry two Explore 100 Pros in my camera bag as well, because this light does offer a nice amount of power and such a small portable body. Again, it's the size of a can, yet it's very, very strong in light. Just like the Explore 300 Pro, the Explore 100 Pro can connect to some really portable modifiers. So I wanted to show you guys exactly how quickly it can connect to a very portable softbox. So what you're seeing right now is going to be the 20-inch SMDV softbox, which is a very portable, easy to set up softbox. I'm about to disassemble it right now, and then you can see how to set it up. All I have to do is just lift this up right here, and it locks into place, and it's set up, and it connects very easily to the 100 Pro, because the 100 Pro actually has a magnetic ring in front of it on the front of the light, and all I have to do is connect it to that magnetic mount, and now it locked into place. And you actually do have a little bit of added protection right here with this top lock. But basically, I have a very portable light setup right here that's pretty strong. So I actually really highly recommend this 100 Pro, especially with a very portable softbox like this one. I forgot to add the 200 into this size comparison of all the different lights, so I just added it right now. But the next deal that I wanted to talk about is this light right here, which is going to be the Flashpoint Zoom Line X, which is also known as the Godox V1. This Flashpoint Zoom Line X is usually sold for $259, but for Black Friday, it's going to be $110 off at $149. And just like I mentioned with the Explore 100 Pro, it does also offer a magnetic ring in front of it. So in case you wanted to add this speed light to that softbox that I just showed you that connected to the Explore 100 Pro, you can do that as well. Flashpoint actually offers some magnetic accessories for the round headlights that have the magnetic ring in front of it, and that's actually going to come free with this light here. It's going to come with those magnetic accessories that include a barn door, a snoot, a grid, a gel system, a bounce card, and a diffusion. So all those different magnetic accessories can connect easily to this light, as well as the Explore 100 Pro in case you get this light as well. And that's pretty much all the best Black Friday deals that I wanted to talk about in today's video. These are seriously some great deals, and like I mentioned before several times throughout this video, the Explore SE with that free Explore 100 Pro at a great discount, $190 off, that's easily going to be the best deal of this video. So if you guys can afford it, definitely buy that one. If you guys have any sort of questions on what light to get or anything about these lights, then let me know in the comments below and I'll reply as soon as possible. I am actually going to dedicate the next couple of days to answering questions on this video, as well as any sort of questions that I might get in different social media, like my Instagram, for example. I'm always on Instagram. So if you guys prefer to message on Instagram, then definitely send me a message at FJHphoto. I'm on there as FJHphoto. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys take advantage of these deals and save a lot of money, because these are seriously some great deals. Take care, guys, and I'll see you in the very next video.